Okay, guys, this is going to the deli. Going to the New York deli right now. This is what it's like to go to the deli.
Then they like taste too artificial, and I'm like, no, absolutely not. I'm here ready to taste.
Okay, what do you want to grab? I want like a burger still. The burger. Or breakfast, eggs. Look, 2 eggs. You want eggs?
Yep. The steel breaks.
They got everything.
At the slightest amount of force, the steel breaks.
See the 2 eggs?
Not even the sodas do that.
Eggs. You want to get eggs? Or I want to grab like the beef burger, I think.
I got 3 machines all over my boots the other day.
Yo, boss, how much is the beef burger?
Beef burger with fries?
Yeah, no, without just the burger. Wait, no, it doesn't say. It says question mark. Oh, right here. And a cheeseburger. I don't know.
I'll just get them a muffin. Okay?
Huh?
I'm just gonna get them a muffin.
That's it?
Okay.
Okay. Well, you don't want to go crazy with it?
I don't want to get anything.
True. So let's get like we have water already. Let's get like a juice, no? So why don't we get like a sub then? And then if they want it, they can have it. I think we should get eggs though.
I'm just gonna get them a muffin.
Or grilled cheese. What about a grilled cheese?
Oh yeah, maybe.
Yeah, get a grilled cheese.
How much is it?
With 2 eggs, no? Yo, boss, can I do 2 eggs? And a grilled cheese?
2 eggs. Grilled cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, scrambled or
Yeah, no?
fried?
Oh, they got oatmeal homemade too.
Grandma.
Scramble, please.
But I'm still gonna get this.
Yeah. Okay, let's pay. So we got, this is good. Yo, can I pay? So, what are we getting? Just this 2? This 2, a grilled cheese, and 2 eggs. No burger.
You're not getting a burger?
No. I want something to drink. Like a Tropicana. How much is this?
We should get 2 grilled cheese.
Yeah.
No?
For you guys? Yeah.
One grilled cheese, my friend.
Sorry?
1 grilled cheese.
2 grilled cheese.
2 grilled cheese and 2 eggs.
For both.
No.
No, just 1. So 2 grilled cheese, 2 eggs,
bread.
and then this 2 muffin. This. Anything else? No? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we can come back. What time you close?
12.
12? Oh, we can't come back. Okay. Can I tap?
Thank you. Welcome.
Items 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it's the two grill, 2 eggs.
Two grilled cheese, yeah.
Yeah, 2 eggs. That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
How much is $9.99? Can I tap?
Yeah, you can. It's 24,
Oh,
50.
and
It's
no bacon.
totally
No
sealed.
bacon.
Oh, I don't see it.
You see the
Okay, I'll
small-
tap here.
Okay, you can tap.
$9.99 still.
That means yes? Did it? Yeah. Very good. That's first deli I'm doing. They got everything though, for breakfast, everything. Where's my juice? Oh, this looks good. Should've got that. At least we have some food for now.
What?
We have some food for the night.
Can you open that? I need a sip of that.
This is water this side. And I'm not the
Okay guys, that's my first, where we at? 6 minutes at the deli. So we're gonna see how this food is. First deli in New York. The Garden City Deli. Down by Water Street. Alright, we're gonna go check this food out.